Imagine waking up to a world where a brand new, genuine Apple desktop computer costs less than a standard gaming console or a mid-range smartphone. Stop and think about that statement for a brief second. We are not talking about a dusty, refurbished machine salvaged from 5 years ago. We are not talking about a generous hand-me-down from an older relative who upgraded their gear. We are talking about a factory-fresh, sleek, aluminum-clad Apple computer running full, unrestricted macOS. A machine fully capable of editing your high-resolution videos, compiling code for your next software project, and handling your demanding daily workflow without breaking a sweat. All of that power packaged neatly with a price tag starting under $400. For decades, Apple has proudly held an unyielding reputation as an ultra-premium, high-end lifestyle brand. If you ever wanted to own a Mac, you had to mentally and financially prepare yourself to open your wallet wide and pay the steep Apple tax. But the winds of change are blowing through Silicon Valley. Apple is subtly and deliberately shifting its long-term strategy, and the global tech ecosystem is about to feel a massive tectonic earthquake. If you thought the recent arrival of Apple's budget-focused laptop lineup shook up the industry, you need to brace yourself because you are completely unprepared for what is coming next. Apple is quietly preparing to drop the single most disruptive desktop computer in modern tech history. The Mac Neo.to fully understand why a desktop variation of this disruptive concept is not just a wild fantasy, but an absolute inevitability. We have to look closely at what just unfolded in the consumer hardware market. Apple recently introduced a breakthrough entry-level laptop that completely shattered every traditional expectation of what consumers should receive for a budget price point. When you factor in the education discount, everyday people can pick up a full aluminum body laptop for a shocking $499. Let that sink in and think deeply about what that package includes. You get a solid premium metal chassis that feels cold, dense, and remarkably durable the moment you pick it up in your hands. You get a sharp, vibrant display that pops with color. You get a comfortable, responsive keyboard that makes long typing sessions a breeze. You get a massive, ultra-precise trackpad that rivals the best in the business, built-in stereo speakers that fill a small room, and an internal battery designed to last all day. Under the hood, it runs on a surprisingly potent processor originating from the mobile smartphone space. Specifically, it utilizes a chip belonging to the high-end Pro series featuring a streamlined graphics layout that still packs immense single-core and multi-core muscle. When early benchmark tests hit the open internet, independent tech analysts were utterly stunned. The single-core processing performance aggressively rivaled desktop chips found in machines costing twice as much. The multi-core output comfortably held its own against older, heavier desktop alternatives that took up 10 times the desk space. Students, casual software developers, and everyday web users suddenly had a massive epiphany. They realized they did not need to spend a small fortune to experience a smooth, fluid, and reliable macOS ecosystem. Apple proved a vital industry-shifting point. They proved conclusively that they can manufacture extremely affordable hardware without ever sacrificing the core user experience or cutting corners on build quality. Now, take that exact same winning philosophy and perform a simple mental exercise. Remove everything that makes a laptop a laptop. Strip away the built-in display panel. Remove the physical keyboard, the trackpad, the internal battery, and the integrated speakers. What are you left with when all of those expensive mobile components are stripped away? You are left with a compact, elegant little aluminum box sitting quietly on your desk. Now, by aggressively ditching all of those high-cost mobile parts, the manufacturing and production costs plummet dramatically. This is the exact mathematical and engineering formula that brings us directly to the Mac Neo, a dedicated desktop machine designed from the ground up for the masses. When people hear the word budget in the context of technology, they usually picture a sluggish, deeply frustrating device that lags the exact moment you attempt to open 3 browser tabs at the same time. But Apple has never played by the standard rules of the tech industry. The upcoming Mac Neo will completely bypass the trap of relying on outdated, weak processors. Instead, it is expected to harness the raw architectural power of next-generation mobile silicon. Utilizing an advanced A-series Pro processor variant, imagine a sophisticated 6-core CPU setup featuring hyper-efficient processing cores designed to handle background tasks seamlessly, paired with high-performance cores that instantly wake up the millisecond you launch heavy. demanding applications, graphics duties will likely be handled by a specialized multi-core GPU configuration. This layout is meticulously optimized to keep manufacturing costs remarkably low while simultaneously delivering crisp, fluid, and stutter-free visual rendering for everyday tasks and casual creative work. Because this is a dedicated desktop computer rather than an ultra-thin laptop, it enjoys a massive thermal advantage. Without the tight, suffocating space constraints of a battery-packed mobile chassis, internal heat management becomes vastly simpler and more efficient. Even though it maintains a compact and tiny form factor, sustained computing performance will remain completely stable and cool under intense pressure. You can run demanding applications for hours on end without encountering thermal throttling that slows your workflow down to a crawl. When looking at memory and storage configurations, the Mac Neo is engineered to hit. Applications will snap open the second you click their icons without a single moment of hesitation. Standard solid-state storage options will provide plenty of room for your documents, personal photos, and media libraries, ensuring the machine feels fast, responsive, and completely modern for many years down the line. When it comes to physical connectivity, the Mac Neo keeps things entirely practical. You will find a smart array of convenient ports neatly arranged on both the front and the back of the chassis. High-speed data transfer ports, a reliable video output connector for your external monitor, a standard headphone jack for your audio gear, and a hardwired Ethernet port ensure you can plug in all your favorite peripherals without needing to buy a messy, expensive dongle setup. It is a clean, minimalist workstation designed to blend effortlessly into a college dorm room, a home office setup, or a crowded classroom desk. Rewriting the rules of the entry-level computing market, the pricing strategy is where this entire concept transforms from an interesting internet rumor into a certified market-shaking reality. Without the high production costs of integrated display panels, complex laptop hinges, and expensive mobile batteries, Apple can aggressively price this desktop lower than anything they have released in modern history. With education pricing factored into the equation, industry financial analysts project a starting price tag hovering right around $399, with potential promotional variations dipping even lower during seasonal sales. Just let that sink into your mind for a moment. A brand new, fully supported macOS desktop computer for under $400. This completely changes the strategic game for millions of potential buyers across the globe. Students who previously had to settle for cheap, flimsy plastic Windows laptops that degrade and break down within a single academic year can now enter the robust, secure Apple ecosystem with a reliable, durable desktop machine. Small business owners looking to intelligently upgrade their office workstations can completely overhaul their entire corporate computer fleet without devastating their operating budgets. Public schools and vocational training centers can finally deploy high-end, secure operating systems to students at a fraction of traditional computing costs. Skeptics on internet forums often ask whether a machine like this is just a glorified streaming box or a modified media player running restricted mobile software. The answer from anyone who understands Apple Silicon is a definitive no. This machine runs full, unrestricted macOS. It supports real, professional desktop software, complex file management hierarchies, multi-monitor display setups, and professional creative applications. You can plug it directly into any standard computer monitor, connect your favorite mechanical keyboard and mouse, and immediately have a fully fledged, powerful workstation that handles professional productivity with absolute ease. My honest, objective opinion on this product is that it represents a genius strategic masterclass by Apple. For many years, the primary barrier to entry for the wider Apple ecosystem has been purely financial. By capturing everyday users at a sub-$400 price point, Apple is not simply selling cheap hardware. They are onboarding a massive, unprecedented new wave of loyal customers who will eventually buy iPhones, iPads, Apple Watches, and higher-end MacBooks down the road. It expands their service revenue, strengthens their software ecosystem footprint, and completely neutralizes the low-end Windows PC market. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon.